Picture Earth from the vastness of space, a complex and dynamic system perpetually changing. Activities are impacting this delicate balance, leading that wraps around our planet. This is our atmosphere, a delicate shield that safeguards all life on Earth. This fragile layer is the only barrier between us and the unforgiving vacuum of space. It supplies the air we breathe, moderates our climate, and protects us from harmful solar radiation. Without it, Earth would be a desolate, lifeless rock. The atmosphere is a complex and dynamic system, perpetually changing and evolving. Understanding its intricate workings is essential for protecting our future on this planet. The atmosphere is composed of several layers, each with its own unique characteristics and functions. The troposphere is where weather occurs, the stratosphere houses the ozone layer, and the mesosphere burns up meteors. The thermosphere is home to the auroras, and the exosphere gradually fades into the vacuum of space. Human activities are impacting this delicate balance, leading to pollution and climate change. Efforts to protect and preserve our atmosphere are crucial for the survival of life on Earth. The troposphere is the layer closest to Earth, extending essential for our ecosystem. These clouds form as we ascend higher in the troposphere. The air thins in the atmosphere's mass, and 99% of its water vapor and aerosols. This is where we live, breathe, and experience all our weather phenomena. The troposphere is crucial for sustaining life, providing the air we breathe and the weather patterns that shape our environment. Clouds drift across the sky, sculpted by winds and carrying life-giving rain, essential for our ecosystems. These clouds form and dissipate within the troposphere, influencing weather and climate. Imagine the troposphere as a giant greenhouse trapping heat and regulating Earth's temperature, making it habitable. This natural greenhouse effect is vital for maintaining the planet's energy balance. Without this natural greenhouse effect, our planet would be too cold to support life as we know it, plunging into a frozen wasteland. The troposphere's ability to retain heat is what keeps our climate stable. As we ascend higher in the troposphere, the air thins and temperatures drop, making it harder to breathe. This decrease in air pressure and temperature is why mountain climbers and high-altitude pilots need special equipment. This dynamic layer is essential for life, but it's also vulnerable to human activities such as pollution and deforestation, which can disrupt its delicate balance. Protecting the troposphere is crucial for maintaining the health of our planet and the well-being of future generations. Above the troposphere lies the stratosphere, over Antarctica. Thankfully, international agreement enable air and lower turbulence. Weather balloon is home to the ozone layer, a vital shield against harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Think of the ozone layer as Earth's sunscreen, absorbing most of the sun's harmful UV rays. This protective layer prevents sunburn, skin cancer, and damage to plants and animals. However, human-made chemicals like chlorofluorocarbons have thinned the ozone layer, particularly over Antarctica. Thankfully, international agreements, such as the Montreal Protocol, have phased out these harmful substances, allowing the ozone layer to slowly recover. Scientists continue to monitor the ozone layer, and the signs of recovery are promising, showing the power of global cooperation. The upper boundary of the stratosphere is called the stratopause, where temperatures stabilize before dropping again in the mesosphere. The stratosphere is also where most commercial jets fly, taking advantage of the stable air and lower turbulence. Weather balloons are often sent into the stratosphere to collect data on atmospheric conditions, providing valuable information for weather forecasting and climate studies. The stratosphere also plays a role in the formation of the polar vortex, a large area of low pressure and cold air surrounding the Earth's poles, influencing weather patterns far beyond the polar regions. Section 4. Shooting stars, the mesosphere. It's like the edge of space. This layer is frigid, as are a spectacular sight and a reminder of the dynamical, no larger than a grain of sand, burns waves, influencing weather patterns in the lower atmosphere. It's a frontier of atmospheric science, temperature, pressure, and chemical composition, providing we uncover new mysteries and deepen our subject worthy of continued study and admiration. Here the atmosphere is so rarefied that it feels almost like the edge of space. This layer is frigid, with temperatures plummeting to -130 degrees Fahrenheit. The mesosphere is the coldest part of Earth's atmosphere, and its temperatures can vary significantly depending on the time of year and geographic location. Imagine a place colder than the surface of Mars, It's here that most meteors burn up upon entry, creating fiery streaks across the night sky. These meteors, often referred to as shooting stars, are a spectacular sight and a reminder of the dynamic nature of our atmosphere. Each streak is a cosmic visitor meeting its fiery end. Imagine witnessing a meteor shower on a clear night. The mesosphere is responsible for these dazzling displays, as countless tiny particles of space debris enter the atmosphere and vaporize. It's like nature's own fireworks show. Those brilliant streaks of light are caused by tiny particles of space debris vaporizing in the mesosphere. Each particle, no larger than a grain of sand, burns up due to the intense friction and heat generated as it travels through this layer. It's a fiery ballet of cosmic dust. This layer acts as a protective barrier, preventing most space debris from reaching Earth's surface. Without the mesosphere, our planet would be bombarded by meteors, posing a significant threat to life and infrastructure. It's our planet's frontline defense against space intruders. The mesosphere is also a region of intense atmospheric waves, influencing weather patterns in the lower atmosphere. These waves, known as gravity waves, play a crucial role in transferring energy and momentum between different layers of the atmosphere. They are the unseen forces shaping our weather. While less studied than other layers, the mesosphere plays a crucial role in Earth's atmospheric system. Scientists continue to explore this mysterious region, seeking to understand its impact on global weather patterns, climate, and the overall health of our planet's atmosphere. It's a frontier of atmospheric science. The mesosphere is also home to some of the most beautiful natural phenomena, such as the aurora borealis and polar mesospheric clouds. These stunning displays are a testament to the mesosphere's unique and dynamic nature. It's a canvas for nature's most breathtaking light shows. Researchers use a variety of tools, including high-altitude balloons and satellites, to study the mesosphere. These instruments help scientists gather valuable data on temperature, pressure, and chemical composition, providing insights into this enigmatic layer. It's a high-tech quest for knowledge. Understanding the mesosphere is essential for predicting and mitigating the effects of climate change. By studying this layer, scientists can improve their models of global weather patterns and develop strategies to protect our planet from the impacts of a changing climate. It's a key to our planet's future. As we continue to explore the mesosphere, we uncover new mysteries and deepen our understanding of Earth's atmosphere. Future scientific missions will undoubtedly reveal even more about this fascinating layer, helping us to better appreciate the complex and interconnected systems that sustain life on our planet. The journey of discovery is just beginning. The mesosphere, though often overlooked, is a vital component of our atmosphere. Its role in protecting Earth, influencing weather, and creating breathtaking natural displays makes it a subject worthy of continued study and admiration. It's a hidden gem of our atmospheric layers. So next time you gaze up at the night sky and see a shooting star, remember the mesosphere, the unsung hero of our atmosphere, working tirelessly to protect our planet and create the wonders we so often take for granted. It's a silent guardian and a source of endless fascination. Did you know that the mesosphere is also where Noctilucent's elusive layer? The mesosphere also plays clouds in Earth's atmosphere, visible only during twilight. They are composed of tiny ice crystals and are illuminated by the sun from below the horizon, creating a mesmerizing glow. These noctilucent clouds are not just beautiful, they also provide scientists with clues about the mesosphere's temperature and composition. Studying these clouds helps researchers understand more about the dynamics of this elusive layer. The mesosphere also plays a role in global atmospheric circulation. It helps in the redistribution of energy and momentum, which affects weather patterns and climate. This layer is a crucial piece of the puzzle in understanding Earth's complex climate system. Section 5. Electric air, the thermosphere. Breathe without assistance. Temperatures here can soar from the sun, collide with atmospheric gases. Produce would not be possible, affecting everything from GPS navigation, as it reflects radio waves back to Earth. Truly a vital component of our planet's atmospheric far and wide, reaching into the depths of space. This layer is characterized by extremely thin air and intense solar radiation. The air here is so sparse that it would be almost impossible for humans to breathe without assistance. Temperatures here can soar to thousands of degrees Fahrenheit. Despite these high temperatures, the thermosphere would not feel hot to a human because the air is so thin that there are very few molecules to transfer heat. Imagine the aurora borealis, the mesmerizing northern lights. These natural light displays are one of the most beautiful phenomena that occur in the thermosphere. These vibrant displays are created in the thermosphere, where charged particles from the sun collide with atmospheric gases, producing dazzling light shows. The interaction between these particles and gases creates a spectacle that can be seen from Earth's surface. The thermosphere also plays a crucial role in satellite communication. This layer is home to many satellites that orbit the Earth, providing essential services. Satellites orbit Earth within this layer, relaying signals that enable global communication and navigation. Without the thermosphere, our modern communication systems would not be possible, affecting everything from GPS navigation to international phone calls. The International Space Station, ISS, also orbits within the thermosphere. This region provides a relatively stable environment for the ISS, allowing astronauts to conduct scientific research and experiments that benefit life on Earth. Within the thermosphere lies the ionosphere, a sublayer filled with charged particles. This ionized region is crucial for radio communication, as it reflects radio waves back to Earth, enabling long-distance communication. The thermosphere also acts as a protective shield, absorbing and deflecting harmful solar radiation. This helps to protect life on Earth from the sun's more dangerous rays. Additionally, the thermosphere plays a role in burning up meteors as they enter Earth's atmosphere. The friction and heat generated in this layer cause most meteors to disintegrate before reaching the surface. The thermosphere is truly a vital component of our planet's atmospheric system, influencing both natural phenomena and human technology. Its unique features make it an essential part of Earth's protective shield and a key player in our technological advancements. Section 6. The final frontier, the exosphere. From the emptiness of space itself, particles is what defines the exosphere, to the interconnectedness of our planet's systems and navigation. The exosphere's low density reduced to the dynamic interactions occurring at the edge of our outermost layer of Earth's atmosphere, gradually fading into the vacuum of space. It extends from the top of the thermosphere up to 10,000 kilometers above the Earth's surface. This layer is so thin that it is almost indistinguishable from the emptiness of space itself. This region is characterized by extremely low densities of atmospheric particles which can escape Earth's gravitational pull and drift into space. These particles are so sparse that they rarely collide with one another, creating a near-perfect vacuum. Imagine a single atom of oxygen slowly meandering through the vast expanse of the exosphere. It might travel hundreds of kilometers before encountering another particle. This sparse distribution of particles is what defines the exosphere. This layer marks the boundary between Earth's atmosphere and the boundless realm of space. It is a transitional zone where the influence of Earth's gravity weakens and the particles are free to drift away into the solar wind. While incredibly thin, the exosphere plays a role in protecting Earth from some forms of solar radiation. It acts as a buffer, absorbing and scattering the high-energy particles from the sun, thus shielding the lower layers of the atmosphere and the surface of the Earth. It's a testament to the interconnectedness of our planet's systems, even at the very edge of our atmosphere. The exosphere, though distant and sparse, is an integral part of the Earth's atmospheric system, influencing everything from satellite orbits to the behavior of the ionosphere below. This delicate balance highlights the complexity and beauty of our planet's protective layers, each playing a crucial role in sustaining life on Earth. Satellites orbiting within the exosphere rely on this layer for stable communication and navigation. The exosphere's low density reduces drag on these satellites, allowing them to maintain their orbits with minimal resistance. The exosphere also interacts with the solar wind, a stream of charged particles emanating from the sun. This interaction can influence space weather, affecting satellite operations and even power grids on Earth. Occasionally, particles from the solar wind penetrate the exosphere, leading to spectacular phenomena such as auroras. These natural light displays are a visual testament to the dynamic interactions occurring at the edge of our atmosphere. Understanding the exosphere is crucial for comprehending the full scope of Earth's atmospheric dynamics. It serves as a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet, from the ground we walk on to the very edge of space.